Hi everyone, welcome to Take My Life. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to enable voice control on iPhone. So let's jump right in. First, open the Settings app, scroll down and go to the Accessibility settings. Now, locate the voice control option and tap on it. Finally, tap on the toggle switch right next to voice control option to turn it on. And this is how you can enable voice control on iPhone. Thank you for watching Take My Life. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss our upcoming videos.